What it do, a gang? Like, let's get into this real freaking wig that I'm really about to slay right now. But anyway, so we start off with the cap, and you want to get a cap that's close to the person's complexion. If not beige, brown, or whatever the complexion is, you're still going to add makeup, but you want to get a cap close to the complexion. Now I'm going in with Gorilla Snot, and I'm putting it on the lace the cap, just to lay the cap down so that the cap will stick to the scalp. Now I'm sewing the cap to the braid so that the back of the cap doesn't roll up, because sometimes people may have the problem where the cap rolls up, or they have the problem with the back of the cap. So I'm going to sew it, and then I'm going to cut the perimeter of the cap off. Now I'm going in with the Got To Be gel, and I'm going to place that on the extra cap that you see lifted. You want to place this at the edge so that the end of the cap blends in with her forehead or her scalp. After you done place the makeup on the cap, you want to place the wig on the head just to size it and make sure it fits your client, and then you want to cut the perimeter of the lace off. Now you don't want to cut too much lace, but you don't want to leave too much on. You want to make sure everything is perfect for your client. In this video, I'm using the Bold Hold glue. I love this glue. It actually lasts a very long time, and I use a lot. Like, I am not cheap with the amount that I use. My clients deserve the longest frontal install ever. So I'm applying a lot. I applied 3 coats of this glue to her scalp, and we're just gonna make it work. the finished look. We love this hairstyle on her. Like, I bodied actually. But anyway, it looks so good on her. I love this color. I love the way I got this color. You can watch that video also. I'll leave that in the description box. But the way I got this color, we're just feeling it. Like, it looks so great.